Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC tokens from your Trust Wallet to your Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to consolidate your holdings or just experiment with different wallets, this tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. You'll need the XDC network added to Trust Wallet and your Coinbase Wallet address handy. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Now, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XDC token in your portfolio. It's usually under the Coins or Tokens section. Just search for XDC if you don't see it right away. Next, tap on the XDC token to open its details page. Here, you'll find the Send button. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Switch over to your Coinbase wallet, go to the Settings or Account section, and copy your XDC wallet address. Paste that into the recipient field on Trust Wallet. Double-check it to ensure there are no typos. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Now, enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary based on congestion. Review the transaction details carefully, then hit Confirm or Send. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure to verify it before proceeding. Once it's sent, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Zinfin's official one. And just like that, your XDC should appear in your Coinbase wallet shortly. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, like delayed transfers, check the network status or reach out to wallet support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.